The 2018 T680 52-inch sleepers have arrived. They come with a Bendix mitigation. Top fairing does come off. Perfect truck for a fuel hauler, grain haulers. Lightweight, 15,300 is the average weight on these trucks. Trucks will come with super singles, APU, dual fuel tanks. APU is a Thermo King. Truck is a single bunk. Added more room, so they did remove the passenger seat, make it more spacious. 10-speed Ultra Shift automatics. Call today, get pre-approved. Trucks won't last long. Currently a price point truck right now in Denver.